The internet is woven so deeply into the fabric of our lives that it's easy to take it for granted. We scroll through social media, stream endless videos, and send emails across the world without a second thought. But have you ever paused to wonder how all of this is possible? The truth is, the internet is one of the most remarkable inventions in human history, a vast, invisible infrastructure that connects billions of people every second of every day. Forget physical highways, the internet has its own network of digital superhighways, spreading across the globe. At its core, the internet is an interconnected system of networks, each consisting of servers, routers, and data centers. Imagine your favorite website as a city and your internet request as a car. The moment you click a link, your request races along these digital highways, bouncing between servers and routers at incredible speeds, before finally delivering the web page to your screen. It's a global relay race happening faster than the blink of an eye. But it's not just local networks making this happen. When you send data across continents, your request often travels through undersea cables, thousands of miles of fiber optic lines stretching across the ocean floor. These cables are the backbone of the modern internet, transmitting over 95% of global data. In 2008, one such undersea cable was accidentally severed near Egypt, causing widespread internet disruptions in parts of the Middle East and Asia. This single incident revealed just how crucial these hidden lines are to our everyday lives. So, how exactly does data move across this vast network? The answer lies in data packets. Every file, video, or message you send is broken down into small packets of data. Think of them as tiny envelopes containing pieces of your information, each stamped with instructions on where to go and how to reassemble once they reach their destination. These packets don't always travel the same route, they take the fastest or least congested paths available, often passing through different networks before converging at the final stop. A fascinating example of how data routing works occurred in 2011, during a surge in global internet traffic caused by a viral video event. Internet providers had to dynamically reroute data across different networks to prevent congestion, demonstrating the incredible adaptability of the internet's infrastructure. This flexibility ensures that even in high-demand moments, you can still binge your favorite series with minimal buffering. Many people assume satellites carry the bulk of internet traffic, but that's far from the truth. Undersea cables carry most of the world's internet data, with some spanning more than 10,000 miles across oceans. These cables are marvels of engineering, with layers of protective coatings to withstand pressure and environmental conditions on the ocean floor. Yet, they remain vulnerable to natural disasters and human interference, as seen in cases where ships' anchors have accidentally cut through them. As groundbreaking as the current internet is, the future promises even more astonishing possibilities. Quantum networks, for instance, could revolutionize data transfer by enabling instant communication between 2 points, regardless of distance. This would eliminate latency and make encryption virtually unbreakable. Imagine conducting business meetings where data is exchanged instantaneously between continents with absolute security. Beyond quantum tech, advancements in virtual reality and augmented reality are creating entirely new ways for people to interact online. Tech giants are investing heavily in building immersive digital worlds, often referred to as the metaverse. In these environments, users can socialize, work, and even attend events in a fully virtual space. While it might sound futuristic, this technology is already beginning to reshape how we experience the internet. And let's not forget brain-computer interfaces. Researchers are working on devices that could one day connect our brains directly to the internet. Instead of typing or tapping, you could simply think your commands, allowing for seamless interaction with technology. Companies like Neuralink are pioneering this frontier, and though it's still in its early stages, the potential implications are vast. So, how can you prepare for the ever-changing landscape of the internet? Start by staying informed about emerging technologies. Learn about cybersecurity to protect yourself in a world where data is more valuable than ever. Embrace new digital skills, like coding or digital marketing, to remain competitive in a tech-driven economy. Most importantly, cultivate adaptability. Technology evolves at a rapid pace, and those who can learn and pivot quickly will thrive. The internet has already transformed the way we live, work, and connect, but its journey is far from over. We stand at the threshold of a new era, one where technology will continue to redefine what's possible. Whether it's quantum networks, virtual worlds, or neural interfaces, the future of the internet is both thrilling and full of unknowns. What do you think the future of the internet holds? Share your predictions and wildest dreams in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the digital world, Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech-tastic explorations, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.